Hi, everyone. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and constantly struggling to pay off debt? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to share with you a step-by-step guide to help you get out of debt and take control of your finances. Step 1. Assess your debt. The first step to getting out of debt is to understand exactly how much debt you have. Make a list of all your debts, including credit card balances, personal loans, and any other forms of debt. Write down the interest rate, minimum payment, and total balance for each debt. Step 2. Create a budget. Once you have a clear understanding of your debt, it's time to create a budget. This will help you see exactly where your money is going and where you can cut back in order to put more money towards paying off debt. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending and make adjustments as needed. Step 3. Prioritize your debts. Now that you have a budget in place, it's time to prioritize your debts. The most common method is the snowball method, where you focus on paying off the debt with the smallest balance first, and then move on to the next debt with the next smallest balance. This can help you build momentum and feel more motivated as you see progress being made. Step 4. Increase your income. Another way to get out of debt faster is to increase your income. Consider taking on a side job, freelance work, or selling items you no longer need. Any extra income can be put towards paying off debt. Step 5. Avoid new debt. While you're working on paying off debt, it's important to avoid taking on any new debt. This means no more using credit cards, taking out loans, or buying things you can't afford. Stick to your budget and be mindful of your spending in order to avoid falling back into debt. Step 6. Stay disciplined and persistent. Getting out of debt takes discipline and persistence. Stay focused on your goals and continue to make changes as needed. Remember, progress is not always linear and there may be setbacks, but stay committed to your financial future and you will reach your goals. Conclusion: getting out of debt is possible, and we hope that this guide has given you the tools and tips you need to start your journey. Remember to assess your debt, create a budget, prioritize your debts, increase your income, avoid new debt, and stay disciplined and persistent. Good luck and happy debt-free living!